not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. For today's video mga repa ay magja-jogging muna tayo ngayon. Bale, matagal na rin kasi akong hindi nakakapag-jogging at matagal na rin ako hindi nakapag-bisikleta. So ngayon, papakondisyon muna ako kasi para pag nag-bike ako hindi ako masyado mabibigla. Ang palakas ng cardio, hangin, nadagdag tayo ng hangin. Yun nga, matagal na ako hindi na ako nagbibisikleta, matagal na. Pero mga 2 buwan, sobrang tagal na mga repa. Kasi may medyo issue sa akin, nagpa-check up ako. Sakala ko may sakit ako sa puso, so tinigil ko muna yung pagbabike. So, mga 1 buwan din yun, walang bike kasi akala ko kasi malala. Ngayon, yung resulta naman, nagpa-2D echo ako, ECG, tapos treadmill, stress test. Kahapon ang resulta, follow-up check-up kami, pinabasa sa doktor. Okay naman yung resulta. Negative naman daw, parang lang yung puso, parang may maga lang, pero hindi naman sakit sa puso talaga. Kaya ngayon, jogging tayo para magpakondisyon para susunod na linggo pag nag-bike ako hindi masyadong masakit, hindi masyadong mapapagod. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Tomas Morato, car free Sunday pala ngayon. Mula sa bahay pala siguro mga abot ng mga 1 kilometro ang layo mula sa amin. So ngayon lakad muna, warm up. Tapos dito pala ako sa Roses, Don Roses. Diretsuin ko lang to kasi ito, yung dulo na ito Morato na. So masarap magtakbo-takbo pag umaga talaga. Maraming pupunta rin doon, mga pamilya. Minsan may mga pala doon, mga nagtitinda ng mga gulay, masariwang gulay. 6:20 ng umaga. Swak pa naman, okay pa naman. Hindi pa naman ganun kainit. Lakad pa lang ginagawa ko pero nagpapawisan na ako. Mamaya tagaktak talaga pa ako. So ayan na mga repa, ang oras natin ng 6:32. Malapit na tayo sa umpisa ng takbuhan dito sa Tomas Morato. So makikita ko na yung may mga naglalakad na rin papunta ron. Malapit na. Ayan nandun na. Diyan yung start ng mismo, yung stoplight papuntang Don Roses. Yan nag-start. So yun mga repa, malapit-lapit na tayo. Woohoo! Siguro inabot din ako ng mga 15 to 20 minutes na lakad papunta rito mga repa. Medyo malayo-layo eh, pero okay lang kasi para pagdating mo dito kondisyon na. Pagdating natin doon, tatakbo na tayo ng jog na tayo mga repa. So dito na start mga repa, hindi na tayo tumakbo dito. Ayan, isang diretso to hanggang may rotonda ng Boy Scout. So pwede na tayo tumakbo.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Walking na lang, cool down. Kasi saka na yung tuhod ko, tsaka yung tiyan ko. Gusto na ako ng hangin. Time check mga repa, alas 7 G's ng umaga. Marami pa rin tao kasi hanggang ano yata to hanggang alas 10 ng umaga itong oras dito. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang walk, cool down, cool down. Time check natin, alas 7:20. Mas dumami na yung tao ngayon. At tayo naglalakad na lang kasi ano na lang tayo, cool down na lang. Mga dalawang ikot siguro. Saan kami mo ngayon? Kailan ka lilipat?
Mamaya.
So yun mga repa, ito na yung last nating ikot. Going home na tayo. Kapag jogging na tayo, tsaka pag walking, sulit na sulit din ang ating Sunday jogging dito sa car free, air free, Murato, every Sunday mga repa. From 5 AM to 10 AM ang open dito. Woo! At least kapag-ersisyo tayo sa ilang buwan kondisyon para pag-bike. So yun, hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating jogging, running, cardio dalisay. Kita-kits sa susunod na mga video ng upload ko. Whoop whoop!